everyone, we are going to make avocado smoothie today. Cut open the avocado and take out the seed. Add 300 ml of milk. Scoop out the avocado and put into the blender. Add 4 ice cubes. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend everything together for 15 to 20 seconds. Now you can enjoy your smoothie. This will be a very good breakfast smoothie because it's very fast and it's very healthy. Avocado is a very healthy fruit because it contains a high fiber and healthy fat. The healthy fat in avocado help you to reduce inflammation in your body, and it is good for your gut health, like the bacteria in your intestine. And also the fat helps absorb fat soluble vitamins, that is vitamin A, D, E, and K. But also avocado can be bad in some ways. For example, because of its fat content, it's not ideal for weight loss, and also it's high FODMAP. FODMAP is an abbreviation of different types of carbohydrates. If you have irritable bowel syndrome, you cannot have too much of these carbohydrates because they will make you uncomfortable and it's hard to digest. It's very sensitive to your stomach, so you don't want to eat too much. 80 grams of avocado is considered high FODMAP. If you want to eat it, you can only eat 1/8. That would consider low FODMAP to avoid any discomfort you feel in your stomach. And also in this recipe, we use honey. You can use some other things to replace, for example, condensed milk, or just don't add any sweeteners to be more healthy.